Welcome to the letter quiz. Today we have 26 questions for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Can you guess all 26? Let's go. Which tiny European country is nestled between France and Spain in the Pyrenees Mountains? The correct answer is Andorra. Which Southeast Asian nation is ruled by an absolute monarch and is known for its vast oil wealth? The correct answer is Brunei. Which island nation is located off the southeastern coast of Africa in the Indian Ocean? The correct answer is Comoros. Which small African country is strategically located at the entrance of the Red Sea? The correct answer is Djibouti. Which African kingdom was formerly known as Swaziland and is one of the world's last absolute monarchies? The correct answer is Eswatini. Which South Pacific island nation is comprised of more than 300 islands and is known for its coral reefs? The correct answer is Fiji. Which equatorial African country is known for its vast tropical rainforests and diverse wildlife? The correct answer is Gabon. Which Caribbean nation shares the island of Hispaniola with the Dominican Republic? The correct answer is Haiti. Which Nordic island nation is known for its volcanic landscapes and geothermal activity? The correct answer is Iceland. Which Middle Eastern country is home to the ancient rock-carved city of Petra? The correct answer is Jordan. Which island nation in the central Pacific Ocean is composed of 33 coral atolls spread across the equator? The correct answer is Kiribati. Which independent country is entirely surrounded by South Africa and known as the Kingdom in the Sky? The correct answer is Lesotho. Which Oceanian country consists of over 600 islands in the western Pacific Ocean, known for its diverse marine life? The correct answer is Micronesia. What is the world's smallest independent republic, located in Micronesia and formerly known for its phosphate mining? The correct answer is Nauru. Which Arabian Peninsula country is known for its historic maritime trading and diverse landscapes from desert to mountains? The correct answer is Oman. Which Micronesian island nation is renowned for its marine conservation efforts and unique rock islands? The correct answer is Palau. Which Middle Eastern nation has the world's highest per capita income and will host a major international sporting event in 2022? The correct answer is Qatar. Which African nation is known for its remarkable recovery and reconciliation after a tragic genocide in 1994? The correct answer is Rwanda. Which South American country is the smallest independent nation on the continent, with Dutch as its official language? The correct answer is Suriname. Which Southeast Asian country gained independence in 2002 after a long struggle and is located on the eastern half of an island? The correct answer is Timor-Leste. Which Central Asian country was a key stop on the historic Silk Road trading route? The correct answer is Uzbekistan. Which South Pacific island nation is composed of approximately 80 islands and known for its volcanic landscapes? The correct answer is Vanuatu. Which disputed territory in Northwest Africa is claimed by both a North African country and an indigenous movement? The correct answer is Western Sahara. What term describes a geographical region or territory that does not have independent statehood? The correct answer is no sovereign country. Which Arabian Peninsula country has been experiencing a complex civil war since 2014? The correct answer is Yemen. Which southern African country is home to the spectacular Victoria Falls and borders 8 different nations? The correct answer is Zambia.
If you enjoyed our quiz, feel free to donate via Super Thanks. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram and stay tuned for more exciting quizzes. See you next time on QuizzyQuest.